Namaskar. In last video, we saw about file section where we had put up a note sheet in which we have our proposal in which we requested for hardwares for executing election work. In this video, we will see that the note sheet we had put up with that we required to put up an order for getting signed from senior authority, that is in this case collector sir. So we will see from where we can attach the order for signing. Okay friends, it is very important part, so please give attention on each and every step. If you'll see that this video starting time and ending time, there is a almost more than 3 hours recording, but I covered it in 15 to 20 minutes for you by stopping the videos as per the need so that only useful things will be there. So each and every point is important as this is very important part of e-file. Now uh, we'll see the screen where you can see that I have already logged in, and it is that e-office screen which we left in our last video. If you cannot remember that, so I suggest just go to the last video and just see last 10 to 5 minutes what discussion we were earlier doing, so that there will be a sync and you will understand it properly. So now this left side, see this left side is our note sheet part, as you know very well, right? Last video where we mentioned three offices who will provide hardwares, and come above its draft option there are two options: create new draft and view draft. View draft is for seeing attached draft if it is there. Create new draft is for creating new draft as our case is. Let's click on it. See this open, this screen will come. It may be in any format as per your office, so this screen has come. In right side some details are coming, field like subject, draft nature, select anyone, selecting letter, letter, yes letter. Let me select office order because we are preparing order, so it will be good to select language. I am taking as Hindi. You can take any language as per your need. Below is very important, communication details. Here information will come from where? In left, the blank screen will have our order in format. We can paste directly after copying from Word file, or we can upload from above as we seen earlier, right? See now I'll open one order. This order I created here, which I was to put up with the note sheet. Three offices name mentioned in order: DPC, ITI, and DIET offices. It is in Hindi, so just here. Asking them to provide two computer systems. Below is collector sir seal and signing place. I will upload this letter there. So click on upload file button. Select the file, draft for hardware.pdf. It will show up here just in a while. Yeah, this has opened, right? We can type here also. See, it is a very powerful tool. Here approved by, approved name, etc. given. Not to get confused, if we have typed, then we can use these texts. For example, if it would be a gazette for signing and we don't know when it will get signed, so we can write hash approved at hash, and on approval the date automatically will show of the date on which it got approved. Okay, this way we can use these tags. Other tags name designation can also be used as per need. It may be very handy for you when you work live on the system. So as we uploaded the PDF, we can't use these tags right now. So let's see what next we need to do now. In right side, just a second. Yeah, in right side, see this communication details part, three fields: name, designation and address, these are important fields. Please note, in address it is red star mark, but on name and designation it is orange and not red. Why is it so? It is because name and designation, if both cannot be filled, at least one must be given out of these two. Like here in order, we write designations and not names. So we write in designation fields. No need to fill name field, that who is head of DPC or ITI office. Some case may come where order issued by names, then may write in name field, and we can write in both the fields also. So I write designation and address and click on this add more recipients button, right? So if you can add any number of recipients, but one by one only. So I need to write DPC office details, then add recipients, and then click ITI office, and so on. So I am stopping the recording for a while and adding these three offices, and will come back. See, I added all three offices using this option. We can edit or delete any of them. As we have added details whom we want to send this order, then below this save button is very important, right? And it must be clicked. If by chance I go to any other option and will come back, this draft will be no more there and our work will be lost. Please note it. So save button is important. And click above or below save button, both are same. On clicking save, this fields become disabled, right? If something needs to change, then click on the edit button on right side. So as of now, work done has been saved. Now I want to go to the note sheet screen, but never click the back button. Never click on this back button ever. Okay, as I told in the earlier video also. So what we need to do to go to the note sheet, click on this correspondence button. Okay, not button, just link. So just click on this correspondence. I clicked on it, so note sheet screen has come. So we need to send to it higher authority. If it is my login, I may send it to collector sir. But before that, we have to check that what draft we created is with it or not. So now we will see view draft option to check. Click on it. On right side, details will come up. Yeah, see, DFA 669 has come here. DFA means draft for approval. Subject is also written. If I click on this, it will show same draft that we just created just now. Okay, at any moment I feel that draft is wrong, then choose one. We can delete using this option. It will get deleted, and again new draft can be attached. No problem in it, as it is at our level. Version number is there. If draft changes, version also gets changed. It is not important for us as of now. Now I will click on send link. So note sheet and draft will go to the higher authority, in this to collector sir. So clicking on send to see, send screen has come. You know it very well, but important is here is DSC sign is also coming. It means DSC sign is mapped to in this, and DSC is plugged in the computer. Let me enter section officer in the to field. Okay, and DSC sign it to see what happens. I wrote section officer details. In action, choose an approval. In remarks, I written in Hindi that hardware needed to for execution election work. Assume section officer is collector sir for understanding the example only. As it is demo and have only 2 users, it's not a real case. Okay, that I tell in all videos. Now clicking on DSC sign and send button to see what happens. See, it's writing, signing and sending. Please wait. This screen is just showing tracing. Click continue always. Close this tracing screen. Not to worry if it comes. After some time, this pin screen will come. Enter pin and click on login, and it got sent. How to see if it is sent or not? It is not in inbox, right? Click on the sent link. See, first record, it will be there. Yeah, same first our subject, and clicking on the file number, it will open file details what we sent just now. See, this I wanted to show our note sheet, which is digitally signed by us. So we are in the right direction. We did correct digitally sign and send to higher authority. We can see draft, but I will log in as section officer, and in his inbox how it is looking we will see. So I am now in section officer login. Important is the same file is in his inbox. See, there is correct mark with green color something. It is showing that it is having draft. It is a way to inform user about draft presence in the file. Okay, let me click on file number link. Let's see what inside for us. Okay, it shows one note sheet having proposal asking for hardware requirements. The sender has digitally signed. We notice draft is attached. So let's see draft. Click on view draft. Yes, it is having some draft. Click on the link to see what is inside draft received. See here, draft can be read, and in right option is there to approve button. If I click on preview, draft will get downloaded. So we can read in local system. Editing can be done in below information as higher authority has power to edit. If he feels proposal is fine and can be approved, so we will click on approve to see this. Click on it. One pop-up will come. Yeah, informing that once draft gets approved, no changes can be made. It's okay. Click on OK. See its power of, yeah, see its power of the e-office system. See how a file number came written above on our draft. So what I proposed as an NIC officer to collector sir, and on his approval at his level, the same file number above came on this. So from this number, we can find all details easily in file management system, that what was proposal, what and all comments were. So it is very powerful tool, I feel. Now below C dispatch, uh, below C, yeah, dispatch options are coming. We will talk later on this. Come to DSC sign. Just a second. Yeah, third one, DSC sign. As we send to higher authority for signing it, as it is just a format of order and he needs to sign, it is approved by him. So it will work same as just we saw while signing. The message of signing, the same pop-up. Click continue as always. Then login. You know it all very well. File will be downloaded. Okay, open the downloaded file. See the file is digitally signed. It will not come exactly here. I think some settings required in future, but this is signed. Signature is valid. I use Mr. Dinesh Vishkarma ji DSC, so his name is coming thanks to him. Okay, as of now our order is approved, so he can dispatch from uh, I will come here below. So now dispatch part is there. So he can dispatch, but he will not dispatch, but he will send to who has sent the proposal. So click on correspondence link. The approval authority will write on note sheet also that proposal is approved or something like that. Can be done from add yellow note or green note. So I'll just directly go to the green note and we'll write OK approved and signed. We can go to correspondence or direct send from here, right? Clicking on send. In this screen I wrote grade 17 details in two field, approved and signed. All you can see here. Clicking on DSC sign send button, entering pin and login, also same thing. Now going to assistant grade back again, his login, to see how it looks. We can inside. So we are inside his login. See, new file has come. Click on this link. Okay, see, awesome. Here it is showing higher authority approval comments, digitally signed also. Right side our draft with the file number is written. So we are in the right direction. We came back from where we started after following correct channel. I stopped recording to change some flow, which I will show here. I clicked send back when sent from section officer login. Both are okay. What I want to show here it is that we know and can see from here that one approved draft is with the note sheet. So I go to the view. Uh, Once again, just a second, because it is out of sync audio and video, but you'll understand. See, this was I was mentioning that we know that draft is with that. Now we can go to the view draft again. Right side showed details and is status written signed and in approved by section officer. So we got to know that it is signed. Okay, let's click on this draft link to see what is show. Here also status is showing as signed. Above message, this document contains form. It is coming because of digital signature. Close it, nothing to worry. If we see it, it is not showing any signature, not to worry for it. This document not showing any sign, but not to worry. We just need to click on download. The sign will be shown in that file. Now we can dispatch by self or dispatch by CRU. Dispatch by self means dispatch from our office, and CRU means from central receipt unit, which is centralized receipt and dispatch unit in an office setup. We will discuss later. The intention is we can send from these options for now. Second option is we download the signed letter, print it, and send it as a hard copy in offices where e-office is not implemented. Let click on dispatch by self to see what options are coming in front of us. See, if sending by post, then fill related details. If sending by email, then need to write email ID so we can directly send email from inside of e-office. Through this video, we saw most important topic e-file. We saw flow between assistant grade and section officer and how approval is done with digitally signing. We saw dispatch here, send with follow up or without follow up is for if you need to follow or not this file. So we covered very important part. I learned a lot from manual and then created these videos, so it may have some missing point. So you please inform me so in future the same can be corrected and help others to learn. It makes you happy and more confident. I will suggest teach others. If you know something, it will help others and you'll feel also very nice, right? So these uh, once again I will request that there is some sync issue because these videos were earlier created in Hindi, and I'm just translating it to the English. So there are some sync issues, some because of my speed of talking, and sometimes because of some recorder issue because it's a free version of recorder, so limited time is also there. And secondly, I cannot means sync sometimes because in Hindi I was more comfortable. In English, I need to think a little bit. But as such, topic is covered. If you are having some issue, these are my email ID. Only if there I'm receiving a lot of mails, and as per my request, people are sending emails on my personal email ID. That is last one, praful.srivastava37@gmail.com. I request to send the emails on this email only because above two email IDs are official, and that was for my district at the time of preparation of videos. Because these are showing here, I have not made them hidden or blurred because it's not needed as such. It's not such any critical information, but I request if I'll get even I get any comments, so I used to try to reply it as early as possible. But many times it because of my business also like sometimes I feel that I reply very delay, but it's not like that I am neglecting that. I always try to reply, and even on emails I used to reply whenever I came online. So friends, I feel these topics, these 8 videos which were made in Hindi, now I have covered all those 8 videos, putting my best efforts in English also, so that those people who cannot understand Hindi or cannot read Hindi can understand the basics of from very first video digitization to the final video e-file. E-file is completed. I will try to cover one more topic is in my mind. The topic is some reports, e-file MIS reports section. I will try to cover that also. I have not made that topic in Hindi also, so I'll first create it in Hindi and then I will try to make it in English. I think after seeing these 8 videos, you will be very comfortable to some extent at least to understand the system. There's no need to worry on demo version in if you are in railways or some other PSUs or other government offices. I feel first get comfortable in demo version, then go to in the live. I noticed one more thing I want to say, that I'm getting mails from childrens of employees that they sometimes share their user credentials, their demo, their websites also. First, I recommend that it's okay. Aged people feel awkward in using online system, but don't share your user credentials ever to anyone. First of all, secondly, don't dependent on your children's. It's okay in initial stage. It is very okay that you are taking help of your children in your office work, but don't get totally dependent on them. My second request. Third one is For those people who understand Hindi, I am creating technical basics for those old people only who feel who are layman to the technology, who don't understand the technology. So I've started I've created some as of now some 10 to 11 videos, some basic only, what is browser, what is firewall, what is antivirus, so what is voice, how you can do voice typing, how you can do scanning from mobile, how to use WhatsApp, so that they can feel comfortable with the technology. So those people who are particularly dependent on their children's, and their children can also see to know the technologies. So there are no doctorate or some higher level or engineering level technical talks. They are just basic to make you comfortable with technology. So I request, if possible, you see that you will feel that these things are very easy, but we need to come forward, and we have to choose that we want to learn the technical things. Thank you, friends. I'm closing this video. Thanks a lot.